Now, transport of gases. Two gases are to be transported, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is transported in two forms. First is the solution form, that is 3% of oxygen dissolves in blood plasma and is transported in solution form. Remaining 97% of oxygen, it combines with hemoglobin of RBCs and it forms oxyhemoglobin, and 90% of oxygen is transported in oxyhemoglobin form. One molecule of hemoglobin has 4 ferrous ions. One molecule of hemoglobin has 4 ferrous ions and oxygen combines with each ferrous ion. It means one molecule of hemoglobin can transport 4 molecules of oxygen. And this is how the oxygen is transported. Now, transport of oxygen by the hemoglobin depends upon the 4 factors. First is partial pressure of oxygen. Second is partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Third is hydrogen ion concentration. And number 4, the temperature. Transport of oxygen by hemoglobin depends upon 4 factors: partial pressure of oxygen, partial pressure of carbon dioxide, hydrogen ion concentration and temperature. Now, a graph or a sigmoid curve, sigmoid S-shaped curve is obtained if we plot the partial pressure of oxygen along x-axis and the percentage saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen along y-axis. We can see as the partial pressure of oxygen increases, the percentage saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen also increases and it becomes maximum at 100 mm of Hg. 100 mm of Hg जब ऑक्सीजन का पार्शियल प्रेशर हो जाता है उसके बाद नो मोर ऑक्सीजन कैन बी सैचुरेटेड विद द हीमोग्लोबिन and the curve becomes constant. This is called oxygen dissociation curve. And when the oxygen partial pressure of oxygen is high, partial pressure of carbon dioxide is low, hydrogen ion concentration is low and temperature is also low, these conditions are favorable for saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen. If the conditions are reversed, that partial pressure of oxygen is less, carbon dioxide, partial pressure of carbon dioxide is high or more, hydrogen ion concentration is more and temperature is also more, then the reverse happens. In this condition, oxygen has very less tendency टू कंबाइन विद हीमोग्लोबिन और यहाँ पे पार्शियल प्रेशर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल कंबाइन विद हीमोग्लोबिन. सो दिस इज हाउ द ऑक्सीजन इज ट्रांसपोर्टेड बाय हीमोग्लोबिन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज ट्रांसपोर्टेड बाय द ब्लड in 3 forms. In number 1 in solution form, number 2 as carbaminohemoglobin, number 3 as bicarbonate ions.